best morning foods for health. Start your day right. Yes, you have heard it 1,000 times, that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. However, also remember that not all breakfasts are created equal. In fact, what you eat in the morning can set the tone for your energy, focus, and health all day long. So, what are the best morning foods for your body? Let's get started right away, starting with appreciating the power of a healthy breakfast. You see, most people either skip breakfast entirely or load up on sugar and refined carbs, such as pastries, cereals, or processed meats. Yet these spike your blood sugar, crash your energy, and leave you reaching for coffee after coffee. But a balanced morning meal can fuel your body, boost your metabolism, and stabilize your mood. So what? Well, let's now dive into the top 8 best morning foods. 1. Oats. Yes, oats are rich in fiber, especially beta-glucan, which helps reduce cholesterol and keeps you full longer. You can add some berries, seeds, or a spoon of almond butter for a perfect combo of fiber, antioxidants, and healthy fats. 2. Eggs. Yes, these are packed with high-quality protein, as well as essential nutrients, like choline, which is good for brain health. But eggs also help keep blood sugar stable. 3. Greek yogurt. Studies show that this yogurt is high in protein, gut-friendly probiotics, and calcium. However, just choose unsweetened versions, and add natural sweetness, with fruit, or a drizzle of honey. 4. Berries. Yes, these are low in sugar, and high in antioxidants. In particular, berries protect your cells from damage, and give your brain a sharp boost in the morning. 5. Nuts and seeds. Yes, nuts and seeds contain healthy fats, protein, and fiber in one handful. And in particular, they support heart health and keep you full longer. 6. Avocado. Research has found that avocados are loaded with potassium, monounsaturated fats, and fiber. In particular, avocado keeps your energy steady and supports brain health. 7. Bananas. Yes, bananas are easy, portable, and full of potassium and natural carbs. In particular, they are great before a workout or to beat morning fatigue. 8. Green tea or lemon water. Always remember that hydration is key. And so, green tea gives a gentle caffeine boost with antioxidants, while lemon water aids digestion and wakes up your system. Now, let's talk about morning food combinations that work. Yes, you don't need to eat everything. Just combine 2 or 3 of these foods for a powerful breakfast. And so, try these combos: oats, and berries, and chia seeds, eggs, and avocado toast, Greek yogurt, and banana, and nuts. Now, let's consider foods to avoid in the morning. Make sure to steer clear of processed sugars, white bread, and energy drinks. Bear in mind that these give quick highs, but leave you crashing hard by mid-morning. And there you have it. Best morning foods for health and to start your day right. Now, here is a final takeaway. Yes, make sure to fuel your morning with intention. You see, a healthy breakfast isn't about complexity. It's about consistency. And so, always nourish your body, sharpen your mind, and set the tone for a powerful day. And if this video has helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe for more wellness and lifestyle content. And drop a comment. What's your go-to healthy breakfast? Thank you for watching, and good luck.